Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful trick, how to export your Google Sheets as an image file like a JPG, JPEG, or PNG even with all the recent updates. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn any Google Sheet into a clean, shareable image file, perfect for presentations, social media, or even just making your data easier to use outside Google Drive. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, let's head into your Google Sheet, the one you want to turn into an image. Now, Google Sheets doesn't give you a native export as image option, but there's a really reliable workaround using PDF as an in-between step. Here, how you do it, go up to the top left, click on File, then scroll down and find Download. Once you hover over that, a list pops out and you'll see PDF Document PDF as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. What's happening here is you're basically turning your spreadsheet into a PDF, which is much easier to convert into an image afterwards. You might get a quick settings window where you can choose which section of the sheet to export, orientation, and so on. Don't worry too much if you're not sure which settings to pick. The defaults usually work just fine, but there's always room to play around if you want to get it just right. Once you're ready, hit Export or Download, and your computer will save a PDF version of your sheet. This might take a few moments if you've got a big file, so hang tight. Next up, we need to convert that PDF into an actual image format, like JPG or PNG. To do that, open a new tab in your web browser. Just hit Ctrl or Command and T and you'll have a fresh window. Head over to google.com and in the search bar, type in PDF to JPEG Free Converter. There are tons of free options out there. Look for ones like PDF to JPG Net or ilevep.com/PDF to JPG. I'd recommend choosing one that doesn't require you to sign up or download any extra programs, just to keep things simple and secure. Once you're on your chosen site, usually there's a big button right in the middle that says something like Select PDF Files or Upload PDF. Click that and navigate to wherever your PDF downloaded. It's probably in your Downloads folder unless you specified somewhere else. Select your PDF file and upload it. The site will then process your document, which sometimes takes a minute or two depending on the size, but you'll usually see a progress bar or a spinning wheel so you know it's working. Don't worry if it seems to hang for a second, most conversions happen pretty smoothly these days. When that's done, the website should present you with an option to download your new JPG or sometimes several images if your PDF had multiple pages. Click the download button and those images will land in your downloads folder. Give it a second to finish just to be safe. Finally, let's make sure you can actually find your new image. Go to your downloads folder or wherever your files go and you should see one or more image files with a recognizable name, often using the file name you started with. Open up the image and give it a quick look. If everything looks good, you're done. Now you can use this image anywhere you'd like, email, PowerPoint, Twitter, you name it. That's all there is to it. If you followed along, congrats on turning your Google Sheet into an image file, even with the latest updates. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions or if you bumped into any hitches along the way, just drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tech tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.